Okay, I'm here with a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder, and there's a radiator leak. Um, First thing I'm going to do, I jacked and supported the vehicle. Yeah, jacked and supported the vehicle. Then you take off the fasteners for this cover plate. These are the fasteners. Suitable tool, you pull this up and pull these off. Take off this cover. And there's a shield underneath the bottom you have to take off also. This is the lower splash shield you have to remove. Takes these kind of fasteners here. Just remove these and take this splash shield off. And then you just take down the splash shield. Gives you access to the transmission hoses and the lower radiator hose clip. Take this off. Take this off. Here's the other hose here. Right here, you have to take this one off also. So okay, here's the radiator drain plug. You have to loosen this and open the radiator cap and drain the fluid. More closer to the passenger side of the vehicle on this plastic piece here. Okay, while the engine cooler is draining, I took out the there's two bolts here for the take off this hood latch. They take 10mm sockets to get those off. So take those two off, and up here there's, oh, this is 1/8mm. I'm going to take this one off. Take this 8mm off. Take out this fastener and this 8mm here, and I'm going to move this upward so I'll be able to slide the radiator out once I get the AC evaporator out the way, and the upper radiator hose. Okay, so I got the hood latch out the way with this cover here. It's out the way, so it lets me to pull the radiator out when it's ready to come out. If you have the front camera. I think the manual said to remove that. I'm not sure what that is. It's not on this model. Then I take off the coolant reserve hose. And I already unbolted the other mount here. So then I can get to the radiator, upper radiator hose here. Okay, I got the upper radiator hose loose, the lower radiator hose loose, the two coolant lines, taking off the these two bolts for the this air conditioning piece here, and should be able to pull the radiator right out. Okay, to remove the air conditioner evaporator dryer, just disconnect this electrical connection here, and there's a 10mm bolt I'm going to try and get to. It's right in here where my finger is, and move those two, and this should come out. This silver part here should come out and allow me to get to the radiator, get that out, because there's not enough room to move the move this back without disconnecting it to get the radiator out. So it has to be evacuated. Now with the air conditioner evaporator removed, there's plenty of room to get the radiator up and out of here. There's the radiator removed. The installation is basically the reversal of the removal procedure. So I'm going to open up the new radiator now and get ready to install it. Okay, I got the radiator installed, in position rather. There's a trick to what I did for the transmission hoses. It says to use new radiator hose clamps. So I put this one on first. This is on the driver's side. I'll move the radiator back like I'm doing now, and was able to clamp it down on that one. And then these two on the passenger side are a little easier. The other transmission line and the bottom radiator hose clamps right in there. Now I'm going to do the upper radiator hose and fix the radiator to this frame part here. Okay, I've got the upper radiator hose installed. Got this mount installed. Now for the evaporator. Okay, I finally got the evaporator installed. I made the connection here and make the electric connection here. And all that's left is to mount the other mount and the hood latch. Okay, I've installed the hood latch and the support for the radiator, and the lower splash sheet has been installed as well. So all that's left is I'm going to add the antifreeze, check for leaks, and then put this upper cover on over here. Okay, I got the top cover on, the top cover, and I've filled the cooling system all the way up. There appear to be no leaks right now. I have to check the transmission line. Make sure there's no leaks there. And it's a difficult job, but that's how you replace the radiator in the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder.